Now we will look at some basic manipulation. You will see in the middle of the object it is showing the axis lines, which is also displayed down on the left. It's important to note that in Blender the Z axis is the vertical axis and the Y is the back and forth axis. The X is still left and right. You can click with the left mouse button any one of these arrows and drag upon that axis line. If you wish to cancel your movements, just hit the right mouse button. If you wish to apply the movements, just let go of the left mouse button. You can also press the G key on your keyboard, which stands for grab. If you now move your mouse around, the cube will follow. If you only want to move it on one axis, after pressing the G key, you can now press the axis you wish to move it on. Let's press X. Now moves along the X axis. If you press Z now, it switches to the Z axis. And the same for Y. If I right click, it will cancel my movement. The same applies for rotate and scale. To rotate, you press the R key followed by the axis you would like to rotate it on. Let's press Z, Y, and X. You can also press the rotate and then type X for the X axis and then numbers to what degree you want to rotate by. Let's press 45 degrees, 45, and enter. It is now rotated 45 degrees on the X axis. While you're typing this information during a rotate, you can see down the bottom on the screen here, it'll tell you what you are typing. Same applies for the scale. To scale, you press S on the keyboard and you can drag your mouse up and down, or you can press X then for just the X axis, Z for the Z, and Y for the Y. You can also type in values here as well.